Hi guys, welcome to another Southway 1943 video. Today I thought I would do something different. I've not done this on my channel before, and I thought, well, as I've received a parcel this morning, I thought I would do a little unboxing and show you what's arrived in the post. Now, this has come from Hattons. Ordered it on Saturday and today is Wednesday, so because of the COVID-19 it's a little bit shorter, as you can see. First one being opened, and we'll see what we have in the box. Usual bubble wrap from Hattons. Get the usual order sheet from Hattons. As you can see, I've just covered up my address, etc. You get the usual catalogue of what's going on and what's being sold at Hattons at the moment. They're usually a pretty good look through and read. Right, what we've got in the box. First of all, we have got the Zen V12 black decoder from DCC Concepts. This one is the DCD-ZN218.6A, which is the 21 pin black decoder with ABC module included. What you get inside, let's open up and let's have a look. You get the, as usual goods instructions from DCC Concepts. Expect nothing more from them. You get the ABC module. I'm not sure how this works yet. This will be the first time I've ever had one of these, so I'll have to read through the instructions and see how it works. You get a adapter plate there to turn it from a 21 pin to an 8 pin if you're using, say, like Hornby locos. And because I'm using this on a 21 pin Bachmann 2-car diesel multiple unit, it is the usual Zen Black 21 black chip. Now, it's the first time I've ever had one of these. I've seen a couple of people that have got them on YouTube, so I usually buy Bachmann ones, Hornby ones, so this will be the first time I've used a DCC Concept Zen Black. So looking forward to how that one works. So that's that little package. What else have we got in the box? We have from Scale 1, 2 and 3 sets of 2 Rowry friction buffer stops with the coupler pocket. Haven't them open up yet, as you can just come out of the box, but you get the 2 buffer stops. You get a little plate there to space out the friction plates, and I will be doing a video on how you do this. But obviously you get your 2 buffers, your friction plates, and the spacer bar for the friction plates. So yeah, that's what's coming in the parcel today from Hattons. It's those 4 bits, and I will do a video later on the, as I said, on macro scale buffer stops, and I will also let you know how I get on with the Zen Black 21 pin decoder. Okay guys, until the next time, while we're still in the COVID-19 situation, stay at home, protect the NHS and save lives. Take care for now. Bye bye.